Foods for heart health. Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? That's right, millions of people are affected every year. But here's the good news: what you eat can play a massive role in keeping your heart healthy and strong. Taking care of your heart is an investment in a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Today, we're diving into the 10 best foods for heart health that can significantly boost your heart health. These delicious and easy-to-incorporate options can help lower your risk of heart disease, improve blood pressure, and keep your ticker ticking strong. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your heart-healthy journey, this video is for you. Alright, let's get started. Food number 1, berries. Berries are often called nature's candy, but they're more than just a sweet treat. These little powerhouses, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants such as anthocyanins, which combat inflammation and reduce oxidative stress. Both inflammation and oxidative stress are major contributors to heart disease, making berries a heart-healthy must-have. Plus, their high fiber content also helps lower cholesterol levels and improve digestion, making them a perfect addition to your breakfast, smoothies, or as a standalone snack. Food number 2, salmon and fatty fish. When it comes to heart health, salmon and other fatty fish are the ultimate superfoods. They're an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of abnormal heart rhythms. Omega-3s also help prevent plaque buildup in the arteries, improving blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. To get the most benefit, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, whether that's baked salmon, grilled mackerel, or tuna salad. Food number 3, nuts. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts, are nutrient-dense snacks that your heart will love. They're packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which improve cholesterol levels by increasing the good HDL and reducing the bad LDL. Walnuts are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, similar to fatty fish, while almonds provide a hefty dose of magnesium, a key mineral for maintaining normal heart rhythms and preventing arterial stiffness. A small handful of these nuts as a daily snack or sprinkled over a salad can go a long way in supporting a healthy heart. Food number 4, leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients that are essential for heart health. They are an excellent source of vitamins like K, which helps protect arteries and promotes proper blood clotting, and nitrates, which are compounds known to lower blood pressure and improve arterial function. These greens are also high in antioxidants and fiber, which work together to reduce inflammation and support healthy cholesterol levels. Whether added to a salad, blended into a smoothie, or sautéed as a side dish, leafy greens are an easy and versatile way to boost cardiovascular health. Food number 5, avocados. Avocados are the perfect creamy addition to any heart-healthy diet. They are loaded with monounsaturated fats, the type of healthy fat that lowers bad LDL cholesterol while raising good HDL cholesterol. Avocados are also an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. In fact, one avocado provides more potassium than a banana. Whether you enjoy them mashed on toast, sliced into salads, or blended into guacamole, avocados are as delicious as they are beneficial. Before we move on, I'd love to hear from you. Are you familiar with these foods, or would you like to share your experience? Let me know in the comments below. Let's move on to food number 6, whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat are packed with heart-protective nutrients like fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. The fiber found in whole grains helps reduce cholesterol levels by binding to it in the digestive system and removing it from the body. This reduces the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Additionally, whole grains help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve overall gut health, both of which are vital for cardiovascular wellness. Swapping refined grains for whole grains in your diet is a simple yet impactful change for a healthier heart. Food number 7, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right, dark chocolate can be good for your heart. Rich in flavonoids, which are plant-based antioxidants, dark chocolate helps reduce inflammation and improve blood flow by supporting the health of your blood vessels. Studies show that consuming dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 70% or higher can lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels by increasing the good HDL cholesterol. Enjoying a small square of dark chocolate as a daily treat isn't just indulgent, it's a delicious way to show your heart some love. Food number 8, beans. Beans, such as black beans, kidney beans, and lentils, are nutritional powerhouses that are both affordable and versatile. They are high in fiber, which plays a crucial role in lowering bad LDL cholesterol and promoting overall heart health. Beans are also an excellent plant-based source of protein and contain magnesium and potassium, which help relax blood vessels and maintain healthy blood pressure. Whether added to soups, salads, or tacos, beans are a simple way to add heart protective benefits to your meals. Food number 9, tomatoes. Tomatoes are more than just a vibrant addition to your plate, they are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps lower bad cholesterol levels and protects against oxidative stress. Lycopene also improves the health of your blood vessels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Tomatoes are versatile and can be enjoyed fresh in salads, cooked into sauces, or roasted as a side dish. Adding tomatoes to your diet is an easy way to boost both flavor and heart health. Food number 10, olive oil. A staple of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can consume for your heart. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like polyphenol, olive oil helps reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and protect against oxidative damage. Research has shown that regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil can significantly lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Use it as a salad dressing, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or incorporate it into your cooking for a flavorful and heart-healthy meal upgrade. Dear viewers, incorporating these 10 heart-healthy foods into your diet can make a significant difference in your overall cardiovascular health. Remember, these foods are best enjoyed as part of a balanced and varied eating plan. I encourage you to experiment with these foods and find ways to enjoy them that you find delicious and sustainable. Which of these foods will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your favorites. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with friends and family who want to stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on more health and wellness tips. If there are any other health topics you'd like us to cover, let us know by leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching, and remember, taking care of your heart is an investment in a longer, healthier, and happier life.